Keeping your team's schedule organized shouldn't be complicated. With Tivazo's Outlook Calendar integration, every meeting and schedule you create stays synchronized automatically. Let's get started by logging into your Tivazo account. From the left sidebar, navigate to Integrations and select Outlook Calendar. Here, you'll find everything you need to connect your Outlook account with Tivazo. Simply click Connect to begin. You'll be redirected to Microsoft, where you can securely sign in and grant Tivazo permission to access your calendar. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be automatically redirected back to Tivazo, and your Outlook calendar will be successfully connected. Now, let's see the integration in action. From the left-hand sidebar, navigate to Schedules and open the calendar view. Once you're there, click Add Schedule to create a new event. Begin by entering a clear and descriptive title for your schedule. Then, select the participants you'd like to include, ensuring everyone involved is assigned to the event. Next, choose the appropriate date, set the start and end time, and add any additional information, such as a description or notes, if needed. Take a moment to review all the details to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied with your schedule, simply click Create Schedule. Within moments, your newly created schedule is automatically synchronized with your connected Outlook calendar. There's no need to create the same event twice. Tivazo handles the synchronization for you, ensuring your calendar stays accurate, up-to-date, and accessible across both platforms. Tivazo and Outlook Calendar work together to keep your schedule accurate, connected, and effortlessly synchronized. Connect your Outlook calendar with Tivazo today and simplify the way your team manages time.